Dixie State University Career Services page. Along the top is the navigation bar you can find on any other Dixie State University website page. This is Career Services. They have a little navigation bar of their own with clickable resources here. They match here. Faculty and staff, they also have a resources and events tab on the top there. If you hover over these, I think you have to click on them. If you click on them, you can, and then hover, you can find more information about that. Helping you connect, they have more about learning about our team and also career service information over here. Down here they have success stories. You can click on them, and then at the bottom you have a footbar. That's their career services page. Let's go ahead and see what they have under students. They have handshake, work study, and then over here we have resources, some tips and resources for graduate school, interviews, internships, staff and faculty, employers, and then events. Sorry, I didn't do that in order, but that's the down low on the Dixie State University Career Services site.